Hi guys, this is my second unboxing video. I just got back from the shop. I did actually take my Ace Zippo to school today by an accident, and I got that confiscated, and I finally put fluid in it too. But yeah, that's a bit of a shame. But I decided to make a collection because you know, everyone loves Zippos, so let's see what's in the bag. Okay, first of all, I had to get it because it's been too long. I got some Zippo fuel, you know, or liquid or whatever you want to call it. But basically it's fuel. So I picked some of that up, and in here we have another Zippo box. And yeah, I got just an average black. Just a nice you know, thing here. And yeah, I think I might fill this thing up. So yeah, just gonna get into this now. Hold up. Just be with you in a minute. I'm just gonna make another video of me basically, even though everyone knows, I'm just gonna basically make a walkthrough on how to fill up the Zippo. And I'm just learning myself, so I'm going to, I've also got this that came in the box. I'm going to get right onto that. So yeah, making the next video soon. Yeah. So